So hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we have a lot to talk about and lot of theories to cover. Now as you all know, Skibidi Toilet 77 part 4 has been out since 2 weeks and the Fook Boom took 1 month to make it. And everyone knows that episode 77 part 4 was going to be 7 minutes, but it got shortened and it's now 5 minutes. He also told us that he will get the most important parts in Skibidi Toilet 77 full episode. Now as always, everyone is so hyped about it. And in today's video, I'm not gonna do any analysis, we are just going to cover some theories. Now let's start with the theories. So as you all know, G-Man is the former commander of the Astro Toilet fleet, and it is also confirmed in the series. Now there's a really huge question. As we all know that Astro Toilets are not from the Earth and they are from some other planet, which clearly means that there are many universes where Skibidi Toilet exists. And we're not gonna talk about how the Skibidi Toilet virus started, but we're going to cover why the Astro Toilets picked G-Man to be their commander. Now as we all know, G-Man has never lost a fight. Of course, he had always run away from the fights, but he has never lost it. And if you observe clearly, G-Man had endured such injuries that can kill any Astro Toilets. And his resistance is too overpowered. I mean, in episode 73, he was taking all 3 titans by himself. And the crazy thing is, he just fought the Astro Detainer Toilet, which is of course one of the strongest Astro Toilets. And this clearly means that G-Man is no joke. And I also think that at some point, G-Man is kind of immune to everything, or we can say that he's invincible. Because it's no easy task to survive such blows from titans. And if you see that the new G-Man has already got his arms, he's now already stronger than all of the titans combined. Not only that, he can already defeat the Juggernaut Astro Toilet, where of course the Titan TV man could not do anything to him. I mean, the fight was really intense, but of course the Juggernaut Toilet won. Now we can say that the Titan TV man had no plan and of course made some dumb moves. But at the end we think that he will get upgraded and there will be better weapons like the Astro Juggernaut's cannon. Because of course, as you all know, that he took the Astro Juggernaut's cannon with him. And as we all saw that in episode 72, the scientist TV man took the Astro Detainer's arm. And in episode 77, we saw that in Titan TV man. And of course, the large TV man. Which means that TV race can already replicate Astro's technologies. And there's already a really debatable topic that Juggernaut left us with. While fighting with the new upgraded G-Man Toilet, he said that Duke will never forget your betrayal. Now of course we are not talking about the betrayal and everything, we are talking about the Duke guy. And as you all know, in episode 76, Duke Duchess appeared. And everyone knows who Duke and Duchess are. So we can say that Duke is the true leader or the mothership of Astro Toilets. And there's another really good detail that I noticed, and that is that Juggernaut is lower in rank than G-Man. I mean, there's gotta be some reason to put G-Man above Juggernaut. Because the first time he showed up, he destroyed G-Man with only 1 shot. So there's gotta be a really huge reason for Astro Toilets to put G-Man as their commander. In my opinion, that is because G-Man is possibly the most durable toilet ever to live. Because if you take how the toilets endure the shots that are given by Titans, you can say that they all got one-shotted by the Titans. And as we saw, the new Astro Toilets that were with Juggernaut are not even that strong. I mean, the small nukes destroyed them. So in my opinion, it's because of G-Man's durability or there's something really special about him. So there's no way that Astro Toilets would give a weaker G-Man such high ranks. It could be his intelligence, his plans, or anything. But of course we don't know yet. And of course the episode 77 part 5 is also gonna be released soon enough. And the full episode is going to be crazy. Because the Fook Boom has already hyped us so much about it. In my opinion, in episode 77 full part, we can see Duke. We cannot expect to see all his abilities though, but we can see his face or how he looks. So let's just not ruin the hype and wait for the real episode. And you can also comment what your favorite episode in Skibidi Toilet series. Until then, episode 77 part 5 release. And until episode 77 part 5 is released, I'm just gonna sit and relax and find some theories and tell you about it. So until then, bye.